Shark, Papa Shark. This is red, red, red,
Out of my house.
red.
Get out.
This is red, the color red, 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 red. Do you know what color this is? This is red. This is blue, the color blue, 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 blue. This is blue, the color blue, 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 blue. Do you know what color this is? This is blue. This is green, the color green, 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 green. This is green, the color green, green, green.
Gray sedan, probably the most popular.
Yes, Papa. No, Papa. No, Papa. Get out of my house. No, Papa. No, Papa. Yes, Papa. No, Papa. No, Papa.
Smell it.
Get out of my house.
A is for apple, apple, apple. A, apple. B is for baby, baby, baby. B, baby. C is for candy, candy, candy. C, candy.
Help me! Help
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did he let it go? 'Cause it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right.
Hello everyone! Today I have bought 10,000 mini spongy ball in the supermarket. A big pack of spongy with many colors. What are we going to do with the spongy? Yes, let's show Sarah together. How we will show her. Dun, dun, dun. After thinking very carefully, I come up with an interesting idea. The way to show Sarah. Here the needed material: cake, candy, milk, cereal meals. Two snakes with the tongues. It looked disgusting. One fake arm. I will put all these things in this box. Two snakes to two sides. To avoid her dark, I will carve the streets above. So I wonder if Sarah has doubt or not. To make sure, I will give her a phone as a gift. Let's find a phone. While Sarah is sleeping, I will take her phone. If I take Sarah's phone and pretend to give her as a gift, so we will receive her own phone. So I don't need any money. She fell asleep when she was sleeping. We already get the phone, let's come back. I have the Sarah's phone. After putting the street at the bottom of the box, we put the phone above. To make it look gorgeous, we will make 3 colors together. Firstly, yellow. Secondly, blue. And finally, purple.
Wow!
We are mixing 3 kinds of mini spongy wool together. Wow! It's so beautiful and so gorgeous. Then, so we done mixing the spongy. We put the lid on. Let's give it to Sarah. Wake up, Sarah, wake up. Sun is shining. She doesn't want to get up. We have to use special methods. Wow, it hurts. Wake up. And sleep a little bit more. I have present for you. Present? Really? Yes. Can you get what present it is? Here you go. So beautiful. What is this box? There are many delicious snacks in this box. Please let me take a look. Not yet. I just take a look. No. Why do you prepare a gift for me today? Why do you prepare a gift for me today? Just because I want to, my darling sister. Why you suddenly so good to me? Are you going to show me? If you don't believe me, I bring it home. I'm just kidding. Please stay. Don't be angry. Because of our good relationship, I will give you as a gift. I must be careful. She always told me. But today she prepared a present to me. She didn't invite me to play. Perhaps she's going to show me. I must be careful. Can I open the box? Yes, it's a present. You open it. Wow. It's so gorgeous. Of course it is. I prepared it very carefully with all your favorite colors. I like purple. A very special gift is in this box. I'm sure you will like it. What is that sound? Is it Nathan? You show me, don't you? Wow, I like chocolate cake so much. Take it slowly, there are still many things for you. Because I showed you many times before, so this time I truly prepare presents for you. Milk, I like milk. Keep going, that still may surprise you. Something reads. It's something that you like, just take it out. Phone? Do you really give me the phone? Yes, I do. Real fake. But I already have one. It doesn't matter. So I will have 2 phones to play more games. Is there anything else? There's nothing left. There. Look for it more carefully. Yes, I do. I found it something long and soft. Is it a sausage? How do you know that I like sausage? So let's pull it up. Okay, but 1, 2, 3. Bravo! So Sarah watched her again. She's too scared to remember to bring her phone. So I will use her phone to play game. I'm so comfortable. I'm so scared. How dare she chose me again? Now I need to throw her back. Oh, it turns out she placed all the spongy here. Okay, I will pour all the spongy on Dinah. Now I pour the second bag. What is it? What is this? You deserve it. You really deserve it. Please don't. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that or I won't play with you anymore. Oh, she ran out of spongy. Please stop. Please stop or I won't play with you anymore. There's still a lot of spongy. How about playing with this? Wow, so beautiful. Let me try. So gorgeous. Too much spongy. It's my turn. So beautiful, so beautiful. It just turned Dinah. turn. They're going to be Dinah performance.